So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I will show you all the trades and explain each and every logic behind them. This is our accuracy for today. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description or message us on at Be My Support on Telegram. So let's begin with our video. So the session started right here and our first signal was for real cap 5 minutes down. This was a very good trade. And in this trade, the market was in a clear downtrend and the price was respecting the moving average because it was also indicating for the downside. This was our confirmation, the downtrend plus the moving average, to take this trade for the downside. And it was a very good trade, plus entry was good, so it is a very good win for the downside. Moving average was there, plus the downtrend was there. The next signal was for RJPY 5 minutes down. In this trade, it was a very good win again. In this, the market was clearly in a downtrend again, and the price was below the moving average. Means the sellers were in control, and this was a confirmation to take this trade for the sell side. And we won this trade with an amazing entry. The next signal was for RCHF 5 minutes up, where you can just check out. This was also a very good win. And in this trade, price broke above the moving average, and the buyers were taking the control. Means this was our indication that there will be an uptrend and we can just buy this trade for the upside. So we took an entry right there and we won this trade. The uptrend plus the moving average indicated us to take this trade for the call side. So this was a very good win again. You can just check out our results. 3 non-marginal wins. And this is what accuracy is. If you just trade with patience and knowledge, you can just win each and every trade. Plus, just focus on the entries and focus on the knowledge we give. That's it.